Good day, everybody. This is Turbo Dave here at Performance Corner, talking about the CT200 head gasket I'm doing. So here, right here, is where you can see where the material has worn out. You can see it's come off on other areas where the water passages go. But this is the area that goes in the combustion chamber. This is a water port. So this comes out here, and it's worn out on both sides of this same water port hole. And this is where the head gasket sits like this, and it was coming in to the cylinder right here. So this is going to be the culprit right here. What I'm wanting you guys to see is that it's not just, random, like you can't find something what's wrong with it. This is absolutely what's wrong with this head gasket, and nothing has changed from the factory. So we're putting in a moly head gasket. It's a little bit thicker, so it gets more crushing, right? So that way it's less likely to bust through again and create another leak under pressure. The one thing the factory hasn't done is upgrade or change the head gasket in any way. So a lot of the guys go with the aftermarket head gasket. Obviously, if you get it done at Lexus, they're going to run the Lexus head gasket. So in however many miles it is again, you'll probably run into the same issue. That being said, never tested the coolant. The coolant is a few years old on this. I've never tested it for acidity. The acidic concentration of it could change and possibly eat that away. Nobody said anything yet. With that being said, we're going to run the moly. Hopefully be better. Well, it'll be better. And that's where we're at right now. All right, I'll keep you guys up to date as to what's going on. Thank you, it's Turbo Dave. Thanks for watching, and here at Performance Corner.